Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel Remitly transaction in progress. First of all, open the Remitly app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, in order to cancel your transaction, you must sign into your account. Once you are signed in, you will see your transaction in progress on the home page. As I don't have any transaction in progress, that's why it is not showing here. But if you have any transaction in progress, it will appear here. So just tap on the target transaction and all of the details regarding that transaction will be displayed. Now, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Cancel Transfer, and then tap on Yes. After that, select a reason for the cancellation and then submit the reason to cancel it completely. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.